In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find contacts in Freshsales using Filter. When you have a large contact database, scrolling and searching one by one can take time. Filters help you narrow the list to only the people you need based on specific details like location or role. In Freshsales, this is done directly from the contacts list view, so you can quickly refine what you see without changing any records. To begin, look at the left sidebar in Freshsales and click the contacts icon. This takes you to your contacts list, where you can see all the records you have access to. Take a moment to confirm you are in the list view, since this is where filtering tools are available. Next, move to the top right area of the contacts list and click the filter icon. It looks like a small funnel. This opens the filtering options, where you can build conditions to find the exact contacts you are looking for. Filters are especially useful when you want to target a specific group, like contacts from a certain city or contacts with a particular job title. Now click Add Filter. You will be prompted to choose the field you want to filter by. Select the field that matches your goal, such as city if you are narrowing by location or job title if you are narrowing by role. Choosing the right field is important because it controls what Freshsales will compare when it scans your contact records. After selecting your field, choose an operator. For example, you might use an operator like is_in, depending on how you want the match to work. Then type in the value you want to filter for. Make sure your value is clear and accurate. If your team uses standardized naming, try to match that format so you get the most complete results. If the value is misspelled or formatted differently, some contacts may not appear. Once your filter is set, click Apply. Freshsales will update the list view and show only the contacts that match the conditions you created. From here, you can review the filtered list and work with those contacts directly, knowing you are focused on the right group. That covers everything you need to know.